Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make your voice sound better in Audacity using the latest Audacity interface in 2026. When you open Audacity, your voice recording appears as an audio waveform on the timeline. This waveform helps you identify different parts of your recording and prepare it for editing. At the top of the screen, you'll see the selection tool, which allows you to select a portion of the voice recording that you want to improve. Next, take a look at the Effect menu. Audacity includes several built-in tools that can help improve voice quality and make your recording sound more professional. The Noise Reduction and Repair section is useful for reducing background noise and unwanted sounds. The Volume and Compression section helps make your voice more balanced and consistent. The EQ and Filters section allows you to improve the tone, clarity, and overall quality of your voice. The Fading section can create smooth transitions at the beginning or end of your recording. You can preview your audio using the play button and stop playback with the stop button whenever needed. The audio track timeline gives you a clear view of your recording, making it easier to locate pauses, breaths, or unwanted sections. When you're satisfied with your voice recording, go to the File menu and choose Export Audio. You can save the final version in MP3 or WAV format. Audacity is a powerful and easy-to-use audio editor for voiceovers, podcasts, YouTube videos, tutorials, and many other audio projects. That's how you can make your voice sound better in Audacity in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.